How can the movie The Trial of the Chicago 7 challenge our perspectives on the delicate balance between faith and law? Let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sin, Law, and Faith, where we explore the fascinating intersection of faith, law, and popular culture. I'm your host, lawyer and pastor, Robert FORTÉ, and today we're diving deep into the critically acclaimed movie, The Trial of the Chicago 7. Now, whether you're a Christian seeking biblical themes in popular media, a legal professional, a film enthusiast, or you're simply interested in the overlap between religion, culture, and media, this video is for you. So hey, grab your gavel and your Bible and let's get started. The Trial of the Chicago 7 is a historical legal drama that tells the story of the infamous 1969 trial of 7 defendants charged with conspiracy and inciting to riot, among other charges, in the wake of the Vietnam War protests at the 1968 Democratic National Convention in Chicago. Directed by Aaron Sorkin, this movie explores themes of justice, civil rights, and the role of faith in the courtroom. Throughout the movie, we see various instances where faith and spirituality are subtly woven into the story. For example, David Dellinger is portrayed as a devout Christian and a pacifist who deeply believes in nonviolent protest. We see him grappling with his convictions and the implications of his actions. And the film raises the question of how one's faith can guide one's response to social and political issues. Another spiritual theme is the concept of martyrdom. The defendants are portrayed as sacrificial figures fighting for a cause greater than themselves. So in a sense, the movie reminds us of the importance of standing up for one's beliefs in the face of adversity. The legal themes in The Trial of the Chicago 7 are compelling and thought-provoking. See, the movie highlights the importance of due process and the rule of law in a democratic society. Throughout the trial, the defendants and their legal team struggle against a biased judge and a flawed legal system that seems determined to convict them at any cost. Now, in my opinion, one of the most powerful moments in the entire film is when defendant Bobby Seale, a Black Panther member, is bound and gagged in the courtroom after repeatedly asserting his right to represent himself. This shocking scene highlights the struggle for equal treatment under the law and the ongoing fight for civil rights in America, yes, surprisingly, even today. But the movie also touches on the role of lawyers as advocates for justice. Defense attorney William Kunstler passionately defends the Chicago 7, fighting against the injustices they face both in and out of the courtroom. This portrayal of a lawyer zealously fighting to protect his clients will hopefully inspire other legal professionals to use their legal skills and their legal expertise to fight for what is right and just in society, despite the obstacles. So where, you might ask, do faith and law intersect in the trial of the Chicago 7? Good question. One aspect is the way in which the defendants' personal convictions and beliefs drive their actions and their legal defense. Their religious and moral principles guide their fight for justice, demonstrating the powerful influence faith can have on one's actions both inside and outside of the legal system. Moreover, the movie raises questions about the role of faith in the legal system itself. For example, can a legal system built on secular principles ever fully account for the complexities of both human spirituality and morality? How about this question? Does the law need to adapt more to accommodate deeply held religious beliefs? These are questions that both legal professionals and people of faith may want to consider as they watch the film. As we reflect on the trial of the Chicago 7 and its themes, there are several valuable takeaways. Number one, faith and law are not mutually exclusive. In fact, they often can and do intersect in very meaningful ways. Our personal beliefs and values can serve as a guide for us in making important legal and moral decisions. Number two, the movie reminds us of the importance of standing up for our convictions, even when it's difficult. Especially when it's difficult. As Christians, this means getting out of our comfort zones and allowing our faith to be our guide when faced with injustice or societal challenges. To actually put our faith in action and to be that light in the darkness that the Bible speaks about. Number three, for legal professionals, the trial of the Chicago 7 offers a powerful reminder of the role that lawyers play as advocates for justice. It's an opportunity to reflect on how one's own faith and beliefs can influence their legal practice and their commitment to fairness and justice for all. And speaking of a unique perspective on the legal and spiritual themes present in popular media, check out my legal and faith analysis of one of my all-time favorite movies. And if I don't see you in the courtroom or in church, I'll see you in this next video.